Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of PostgreSQL, we are talking about recovery, not recovery, we are talking about replications, um, file-based replication, or any replication. So, we have heard about that standby.signal file in this mode. This is the same file as we have already discussed while continuous archiving mode. We have created recovery.signal. So, this is somewhat same with as that. So this file tells Postgres server that the database will be in which mode dot signal file. Okay, signal file. So earlier we have checked recovery dot signal, which tells that database will be in the recovery mode until uh, that a particular point. Okay, so standby signal tells the Postgres engine that it needs to be in the standby mode, which means that it is not open for any updates or delete. It will only accept the read only request from other things, and it will accept the connection uh, write write or updates or any deletes from the master server only. Okay, it will not accept any uh, write transactions from any other place, so that it acts as a replication to the master server and accept the changes from master server only. Okay, and it will fulfill read-only request to minimize the load over master. Okay, so you can route your ETLs or other things to the another server, so that it will help your production. Okay, so this file does not have any data in it. Okay, it's created with zero data in it, and it's an empty file, and just for signaling purpose, it will signal the Postgres SQL engine that what our database will be, in which mode the database will be. If we do not have any signal file, the database will start as usual, as normal, for providing the read write out transactions. But if we have recovery.signal, the database will be in recovery mode. If we have standby.signal, the database will be in standby mode only. It will accept all the archived uh, wall files from master server, and it will act as a server which accepts read-only connections for your database. So to create this file, the syntax is very fine, easy. You need to type null because it will create the file with null. In Windows, you can use type to create a file. Okay, so type null, it will create a null file, and then standby.signal. You need not to enter these uh, inverted commas. Okay, so type null standby.signal. In this, by this you will be able to create an empty signal file. So this is all about signal file, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. This is all for the uh, uh, replication, file based replication. So thank you. I'll be seeing in the next video. Thanks.